Hello friends, welcome to my humble homestead. Today I am going to continue some cleaning products that I am going to be adding into my gift baskets. Plus I need some cleaning products for myself. So I'm going to make some toilet bombs. These work amazing. I haven't made any for a while because I've had some, but I'm going to make these. I'm making a gift basket for my kids. And so the first thing I'm going to do is use 1.5 cups of baking soda. So I just have some cheaper baking soda that I use for cleaning products. Woo! And there's about 1.5 cups. I'm going to put a glove on because I like to kind of scrunch it up, get all the little lumps out of there. But then we're going to put, and actually the regular recipe just says 3/4 cup of baking soda and 1/2 cup of citric acid. But I'm putting 1.5 in a whole cup because I'm doubling it. Because I want to have some for myself and then some, oh look at that. This is just about 1 cup right here that I have left. So there we go. And then I am going to munch up all the little lumps and bumps here. Whew, I can taste that baking soda. Back up a little bit. And then you can scent it with whatever scent you want. I always love to have citrus when I clean. For the regular, you're going to use 25 drops. So for this, I'm going to use 50. So I got orange, lemongrass, and grapefruit, which is what I'm going to use. So I'm just literally going to do 20 drops of each. Start with the grapefruit. So there's 20 of the grapefruit. And then I'm just going to mix it up because I don't want the citrus acid to get too fizzy at this point. Because otherwise it won't have that great toilet bombing effect. Dump that in there. And then I'm going to do 20 of the orange and 20 of the lemongrass. And this works so good in the toilet, it will just fizzy it right up, and I let it fizz, and then I just take my toilet brush and then I brush it around and give it a good clean. You can also just drop one in the back of your toilet if you want to just give it a good, freshening up. But this just doesn't have all those little toxic chemicals. And 1920, this one had a little dropper on it. So there we go. There's 20 of the orange. I'm going to mix those in there. The orange and grapefruit smells really nice, but I am going to add a little bit of the lemon in there too. I like a nice strong smell when I use cleaning products, so I usually err on the extra. So now now what we want to do is we just want to add a little tiny bit of water, and like 1/2 teaspoon at a time, because we don't want that citric acid to start fizz. So I'm literally just going to add just a little bit. See how it fizzes a little bit, but I don't want to use up that fizz because we want it to start to bind together. Just another 1/2 teaspoon. And once it literally starts holding its shape, then we know we have enough water, and I'm going to put them in molds. I was looking for my candy molds and I didn't know where they were, so I'm just going to use these little molds here, and then I'm going to let them sit overnight and just get hard. That is how we make our toilet bombs. That is it. Alright, I think, here we go. I should be able to press them in here. Looks like little crumbles here, and it's starting to hold together. This is about perfect right here, if you can see. So I am just literally, and I'm not going to fill these all the way. I'm just going to push these down so they're nice and solid. It smells so good, you guys. The citrusy. And then these are literally going to sit overnight just till they're nice and firmed up. And then I will package. I was thinking about putting them in this jar, but maybe I'll just put them in a silicone bag or something. We'll see. I don't know. I'll see what I'm going to do here. Or I'll go find some more citric acid and make more. We will see, right? I'm trying to make 12, and the stuff that I spilt on my table, I I'm going to go throw in my toilet and clean it. So there we have it, everybody. I'm going to let these sit until tomorrow, and then I'll pop them out and show you what they look like. And if you want them to be really cool, you can put some blue food coloring in them and make your toilet a special color. But for me, I'm just going to leave them white because I think that works. But I will show you when they pop out tomorrow. All right, thanks everybody. See you in a bit. Hello friends. I am continuing with my cleaning products. Yes, I know I've mentioned many times that I need to make my cleaning products, and since I'm making some for me, why not make some to go in gift baskets for Christmas? So these, you can customize them however you want. I am going to make my disinfectant cleaning spray, also known in the stores as Lysol. But since I don't like to use any toxic ingredients in my home, I try to keep it healthy. I got these glass bottles on Amazon, and I just think when you can use whatever bottles you want. If you want to get plastic ones or any one you want at the Dollar Tree, whatever you want to get. But these, I got a whole box of them, and so I think I got a really good deal. If you use glass, I think it really holds the essential oils, smells in it much better. So, to make this, I put my filtered water 3/4 of the way up from my refrigerator. Then, I got the 91% rubbing alcohol. This is what helps it make it disinfectant. Now, if you don't want to use the alcohol, you don't have to. I know I know I've mentioned when I made this before, they used vodka. They used to clean houses and they used vodka. But you know what? This is cheap. And I just put a little bit of a squirt in each one. Some of these essential oils you can use, like tea tree has disinfectant properties, lemon has disinfectant properties. But I just use this because then it disinfects. Then I'm going to fill, I should have brought a funnel over and I didn't, so we're just going to fill it most of the rest of the way with vinegar. And I just use white vinegar for this. So that's what I generally clean with. And I fill it almost to the top. So I just leave enough for my essential oils, like that. Alright, then you can use whatever blends of essential oils you want. Oh, you know what else I do? I do put one little tiny drop of Castile soap in there. Just literally like a drop. Like I'm going to drip it in here. Watch. Drip. Like that. Just to add, just there. That's it. Teeny drop. This is unscented. If you want to use peppermint or lemon, whatever kind you want, but just a drop of Castile soap. You see, it's such a drop there. We'll just mix it up. Now, for mine, I'm going to use a little bit of rosemary. I'm going to use rosemary. Then, of course, you know, because I have to have the citrus, I'm going to use about 20 of orange. Okay, and 20 of orange. Okay. I've made this also with just orange peels, like in vinegar, and infusing them. I am going to put a little bit of frankincense in here. It just adds a little something. Just a little, and plus it has disinfectant properties as well. I put about 10 in each. Okay. And then I'm going to add about 5 of cypress. Because cypress just gives it that little woodsy, clean, you know. Just do about 5. Okay. Then I've got to have my lemon and my grapefruit. And I think, and I did get a little clove here too. So I'm going to smell it and decide if I want clove or not. But I do have to have lemon. It's about 10 in each. Because Lysol's kind of a classic lemon. Let me smell here. I might need some more. Let's do some grapefruit. Do about 10. I think I might do more orange in here, but let's mix it up and see what we have. So, let's mix. Oh yeah, that smells good. That smells lovely. I'm going to mix this one up. Oh yes, that smells really good. You can see the orange on the top, so before you use it, you are going to want to shake a shaky. Oh yeah, that is perfect. I don't think I'm going to add anything else. I think that's good. So here we go, and then I will put these with this. I'm going to label them with my labeler that I got, and I will add these to the baskets. When I get everything done, I will put the baskets together and show you how they will look. So I'm going to do this. I have a bunch more to do, so stay tuned. See you in a bit.